Here we have a clip that's been shot in SLOG3 picture profile. SLOG3 is a picture profile that's very flat and has little contrast. This allows you to retain as much detail in the highlights and shadows as possible. To convert the SLOG3 to Rec 709, which is the standard camera encoding for high definition TV, which basically makes it look less flat. I convert by going to the lumetri color, then curves, RGB curves. Hold up, you must be wondering what these curves mean, so let me tell you. This curve changes the contrast in your image. Here, the lowest quarter is the shadows, the middle is the midtones, and the highest quarter is the highlights. Moving one of these points up or down either brightens or darkens that section of the image. You will also need your lumetri scopes out to help you guide what's the brightest and darkest part of the image. It does this from a scale from 0 to 100. Anything over 100 is too bright, and anything below 0 is too dark. As you can see, it's all squished in the middle. Now this is because it's in the S-Log picture profile. This squishes and flattens the image to retain all the details like I said before. So now we want to stretch out the graph so that the picture is less flat. I start with lowering the shadows so that they are the closest to the 0, the darkest part of the image. Then increase the highlights to near 100 so that it's the brightest part. Now as you can see, it's clearly drastically changed the image. This is closest to Rec 709. Then I changed some basic corrections so that it suits my style and footage. Here is the before and after. This works for all clips as long as they have been exposed correctly before shooting. So let's have a recap. First, change the curves, the highlights and the shadows. Then change any basic corrections. Don't forget to use the lumetri scopes to measure your darkest part of the image and the lightest part of the image, so you don't blow out on the highlights or go too dark and lose the details. And there you have it. That's how you color grade SLOG3 in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want any other tutorials.